Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to buy cryptocurrency. So let's dive into this tutorial. Well, so the first thing you have to do is to create a Binance account and you have to verify your identity with a passport, document of identity or a driving license. So once you do that, you will need to go to the buy crypto option here in the top of the screen and you can do a request in your fiat money, for example USD. You press OK, and here you can select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. In my case, for example, I don't know, Bitcoin. You press it, and here you can choose the payment method you want to use to get those cryptocurrency. So you can do fiat payment or you can do peer-to-peer trading. So fiat payment is directly with your credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, etc. And peer-to-peer is with other methods, but you are trading with someone that has the cryptocurrency and wants the fiat money. So you select this. For example, I'm going to choose the credit card and here I want to spend 50 dollars to get this quantity of Bitcoin. So the refresh rate is about 20 seconds and the price of the Bitcoin will change because it's constantly changing. So get fast to get a good cotization. And you press add new card, you add the card, and then you will be able to receive your cryptocurrency into 5 to 10 minutes. And also you can sell the cryptocurrency into fiat money if you want to. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in the next easy way video. Goodbye.